Mm-hmm.
Let's go get a cat. Some chickens in the cage. Chickens, come here. We're having lunch time. Chicken! Chicken! Chickens! We're having lunch time. Nuh-uh, guys. Stop fighting. We're having lunch time together.
Yeah, they're feeding their little chickens
Chickens!
and peacocks.
Here.
Here comes more peacocks.
Whoa, there's something that I can see. Dad,
Hmm.
come you give me the snail.
Alright, coming. Alright, let's go. Go.
The snail.
We found a snail somewhere. Alright, let's go look. Kitty, let's go. Mm-hmm. Where's the snail?
It's not in a cup, it went away.
Oh, it walked away?
Can we find it?
Alright, I have to find it.
I told you, you need to pick it up before it runs away.
Alright, let me look. Let's see. I don't see the snail either. I think it's probably gone. I think it walked away. It's not there.
Can we find it? Wait!
Mm-hmm.
I saw something!
What?
It's in the little hole.
No, really?
Maybe I know it's a snail!
Mm-hmm.
It's a snail! Dad,
Hmm.
get the snail!
No, hold on. Let me close the
Get
coop.
the snail! Her father wanted to run.
Alright, 1 minute.
Oh, snail. It's so much.
You do?
Go pick the snail up and put it in my hand.
Okay, hold on. Gotta find it. It went in the grass. It's hard to find them. But if you keep looking, you'll find them. You have to keep looking. There's a lot of snails around somewhere.
There's a snail under your home. Pick it up.
Uh-huh.
Pick it up. Dad, pick it up.
Okay. Here, pick it up. You
No,
pick it
you
up.
pick it up.
Alright. Chicken cup feeder, chicken water over here. Nothing in there. I don't see it.
No.
Yeah, I see the snail.
Get it out.
It's hiding inside it.
Yeah, get it out.
Here, look. Hold it. It's hiding inside the holder of the cup.
No, you take it out.
You take it out with a stick.
No,
That's your snail, not mine.
no, you take it out. It's sealed.
Okay, find a stick. And then we try it.
Okay.
Find a little
Found
stick. Okay, and
one.
try it now. Go. Pick
I
up the
need to
cup.
hold it.
I can't hold it. Here, you pick up the cup. Well, okay, you hold the cup and give me the stick. You gotta do half and half. I can't just do all the work. It's your snail, not mine. Oh, it fell out. Go look in the grass right where it fell.
Look, it's over here.
All right.
Come here, buddy.
Oh, pick it up with your hands. Is that your friend? Let me see. Put it on your palm. Oh, what's his name?
His name is Snail.
Oh,
Grass Snail.
let me see.
He's so cute.
Oh, he's taking a nap.
Yeah.
Taking a nap in his shell in his house.
And the ticket's inside the house.
Yeah.
Come on, ticket's inside the house.
But that is his house. You gotta leave it outside because he eat food and drink water. And that is his RV. That is his recreational vehicle that he uses. He does not have like house we have. He has a RV with a shell on it. So that is his recreational vehicle that he travels in to venture out into the wild. So he belongs here. He don't need our house. He already has a house. Because that house is his, he uses his house. He don't like a bigger house. He just like a small, snuggly house. So he just travels with his house with him because he's very mobile. He can eat and sleep in the same spot. Yes.
See the baby. I'm going to bring it to
Who needs an
Mama
RV when you have a
Snail.
house built into your
I'm
body?
going to bring the baby snail to the mama snail.
All right.